can you master your morning? Mornings are so important. They set your trajectory for the rest of your day. If you wake up in the morning and you accomplish the most important things in your day, you have put yourself on the road to success for the rest of your day. But if you wake up in the morning and you wake up late and you don't get anything done, and maybe you waste time on social media or checking email or something else like that, and then your clothes are messy, you end up running out the door late, you're not ready for your day, you forget important items because you haven't prepared them in advance. Wow, you have just set yourself up for a very unsuccessful day. And you know what? Self-discipline in the morning helps you to be self-disciplined the rest of your day. So I find this Mastering My Mornings worksheet is so important. And it's not because the worksheet is important, but it's because the mental process that you go through to determine what tasks need to be done in the morning and how much time it's going to take will stand you in good stead as you work at creating that bubble of time every morning to accomplish the most important things in your life. We talk a lot in finances about paying yourself first. In other words, saving for your future before you buy the things you need for today. And mastering your mornings is sort of that paying yourself first mentality. When I get up 2 hours before the rest of my family wakes up, and I spend those 2 hours on the most important tasks of my day, the things that will actually help me to be successful the rest of the day, I have just paid myself first. It's like making an investment. You put a little bit of money up front, but it pays you interest all the rest of your life. And that's the way mastering your mornings are. You put a little extra effort into the morning of your day, and it's going to pay you benefits the rest of your day and for days to come. So I find that it's helpful to list my morning tasks and the time that I need for each one of those. And I did this years ago, and it basically runs, without my having to adjust it for the most part. It runs on autopilot. But for many people, mornings are not their thing. They haven't had any practice, and this is a new game plan for them. So using a worksheet like this will help you. There's 2 parts. The first one is morning tasks and the time allotted. So for instance, take your devotional time. How much time do you need to spend in your devotions? If you haven't been spending any time, I recommend that you start with 10 to 15 minutes. Don't make it too much or you'll fail. You want to start small. Start with baby steps. If you have a task like taking your vitamins, it might only take a few seconds to actually do that. Or drinking a glass of water, or exercise might take you 20 to 30 minutes. And again, start small. But you want to list all those tasks that are best done in the morning, list the time allotted, add it up. That's the amount of time you need before you walk out the door for your day, or turn your attention to the normal bulk aspects of your day. So for instance, if you have 5 items and you add up that time and it comes to about an hour, you are going to have to wake up 1 hour before you normally do, if those are all 5 new items, or 1 hour before you have to move on in your day. That's the first half of this worksheet. But what I have discovered, and what many people have discovered, is that mastering your morning actually begins the night before. So I have some before bed slots there where you can determine what tasks need to be done before you go to bed in order to make your morning successful the next day. And this is very important. I have a lot of friends who are night owls. They stay up late at night, then they stumble out of bed late in the morning, and they start their day and they're already behind. But if you can set yourself up for success by determining your most important before bed tasks and the amount of time you need to allot to them, you can give yourself a boost. So for me, things that I like to do before bed, I like to have my room tidied or my house tidied. I like to take a shower at night, wash my hair at night. That way in the morning, it's already done. I like to sometimes set up the coffee pot, maybe everything but the coffee grounds. I like to lay out my clothes for the next day, or at least know what they're going to be, look over my schedule so that I have a clear idea of what's going on the next day. Is there anything I have to do before the next day in order to be successful at the next day? If I have an appointment, maybe I need to prepare for that appointment. Anything like that. So those are before bed tasks. Write them down, list the time allotted. Now here's the important part. Once you have that amount of time, you know what time you need to start preparing for bed. And you add up all those times, you get the total time needed. Say it's an hour. Then an hour before you need to be in bed, you need to start your before bed tasks. But here's the thing, how do you determine what time to go to bed? Going to bed on time is a crucial part of self-discipline. One of the most crucial parts of self-discipline for a number of reasons. Number one, you are more likely to sin when you are tired. If you stay up late, surfing the internet, watching TV, you're more likely, because your defenses are down, to sin. You're more likely to watch something you shouldn't, read something you shouldn't, do something you shouldn't late at night than you are in the morning. Number two, you're not as energetic at night. In the morning, your brain is fresh. You can accomplish much more. So my urging to you is that you would make a plan to go to bed and give yourself 7 to 8 hours of sleep and still be able to wake up early. You've got to work backwards on that. If you want to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, you cannot go to bed at 1 o'clock. You have to go to bed early. So this is my effort to provide a worksheet to enable ladies to take a look at their lives, really think through the amount of time necessary to accomplish these important tasks, add it up, determine what time they have to start preparing for bed, and then what time they have to go to bed in order to be well rested in the morning and have a successful morning in order to put themselves into a position of success for the rest of their day.